Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game not working, crashes at a startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, black screen issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on Xbox consoles, whether you are playing the game on Xbox S series or X series. So here follow the fixes. First fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date and also make sure your game is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and also make sure your game is up to date. Step 2 is to clear the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. Now if not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart to restart your console. And once your console restart, now you can go ahead launch the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add an account and after adding your account, launch the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to reinstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. So if nothing seems to work, then simply uninstall Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game from your Xbox console. Then restart your console and then fresh reinstall the game and then you can go ahead launch it and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game not working, not opening, crashing or crashes at startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, black screen issue or not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.